Welcome to the Daily Inspirational Motivation channel. You're here because something inside you is just tired. Not tired from work or a lack of sleep, but that deep emotional tiredness. The one you can't explain to anyone. That weight in your chest. That feeling of holding yourself together when inside you're slowly unraveling. You've asked yourself, why do I always feel like I'm not enough? Why do I keep giving more and still feel empty? Why do I apologize even when I didn't do anything wrong? That's what narcissistic trauma does. It makes you doubt your memories. It makes you second-guess your truth. It convinces you that love must be earned through pain. But that ends here. Not with anger, not with revenge, but with softness, with clarity, and with truth. Take a deep breath right now. Let your shoulders drop. Let your heart soften. You are safe here. Let the healing begin. One loving word at a time. I am not here to prove my worth, because I already have worth. I am not the reason someone else couldn't love me well. I am allowed to take up space. I am allowed to rest. I don't need to chase love that feels like confusion. I want peace, not patterns, not cycles, not apologies without change. I no longer shrink myself just to be accepted. If I have to make myself smaller to be loved, that is not love. I trust the part of me that whispers when something doesn't feel right. I listen to that quiet voice because it always knew the truth. I am allowed to walk away from what hurts, even if they don't understand, even if they never said sorry. I do not carry guilt that doesn't belong to me. I forgive myself for not knowing better, but now I do. I reclaim my peace, one choice at a time. I protect my energy because it is sacred. I speak calmly. I speak clearly. And I walk away without guilt. I don't force others to change. I simply choose what honors me. That's not cruelty. That's clarity. I am healing. Even when it's quiet, even when it hurts, even when I feel like I'm starting all over again. I honor my growth, even when no one sees it. I am allowed to feel sad and still be healing. I don't have to be okay all the time to be strong. I observe my thoughts without letting them define me. I am not my past. I am not my trauma. I am not their projection. I am kind to myself, especially on the hard days. I speak to myself with compassion. I remind myself I am doing my best and that is enough. I no longer chase closure. I create peace within myself. Closure is not something they give me. It's something I give to myself. I don't need to be chosen by them because I choose myself. I am becoming the safest place I know. I am no longer afraid to be alone because I enjoy my own company. I replace anxiety with truth. I replace overthinking with presence. I create boundaries to protect my peace, not to punish anyone. I trust myself to walk away from anything that drains me. I do not need anyone's approval to feel good about who I am. My worth is not up for negotiation. I believe in the calm I am building. I believe in the life I am creating. I believe in me. To the part of you still hurting, to the version of you that loved deeply, to the version of you that tried everything to make it work. You don't need to try so hard anymore. You don't have to fix what you didn't break. You are allowed to begin again, with love, with peace, and with no apologies. Say this softly with me. I am healing. I am growing. I am free. And if the pain tries to come back, say it again. I am healing. I am growing. I am free. Thank you for being here with the Daily Inspirational Motivation Channel. Come back to this space whenever your heart needs a reminder that you are not alone. You are deeply worthy, and you are already enough